Bin returns a string representing the binary representation of the number you pass in. Couple examples. Bin of 3 prints 0B11. Bin of 5 prints 0B101. Bin of 7 prints 0B111. But what if you don't want the 0B in your string? Python has a built-in string method that can help you with that. It's called lstrip, and it removes a certain substring from the start of your string. If you simply chain the lstrip with an argument of string 0B to the end of your bin call, you can get your sweet binary without the extra 0B. In Python, the hex function converts a number to its corresponding hexadecimal string representation. If you pass 255 into hex, you get back the string 0xFF. Quiz time! If you want to remove the 0x from what hex returns, what's the best way to do it in a single line? Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. Okay, in my opinion, you're removing an exact string from the start of a string. The best solution is call lstrip on it and pass in 0x. The oct function in Python converts a number to its octal string representation. If you pass 63 into oct, you get back the string 0077. If you're unfamiliar with bases other than base 10 or decimal, octal is similar to base 10. In base 10, every place has a value 10 to some power. All that's different in octal is that every place has a value of 8 to some power. So 0077 is 7 times 8 to the 0th power, plus 7 times 8 to the first power. In other words, it is 7 plus 56, or 63. Like and subscribe to learn more.